all these lovely Christmas cards from friends and loved ones. I am going to remove. I will keep the memories in my heart, but these are going into recycle. Look how cute Becky is.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for.
I love a new year. It gives me a chance to reset and recommit to my health goals. If you're anything like me and you've ever struggled with emotional eating, stress eating, binge eating, you're definitely going to want to know about today's sponsor, Hypnosio. Hypnosio is a revolutionary self-hypnotherapy app designed to transform your weight loss journey by addressing the root causes of weight management challenges. Weight loss is one thing, keeping it off is a whole other thing. And if it were as easy as stick to this diet or follow this exercise routine, it wouldn't be a problem. What's great about Hypnosio is it addresses the root cause, the subconscious, and rewires neural pathways so that your new habits become automatic. It rewires automatic food responses, helps break emotional eating habits, reduces stress and cortisol levels, and teaches mindful eating. Hypnotherapy is super powerful. I used it many years ago to help with the fear of flying. And there's key research showing that participants who use hypnotherapy lose 2 times the weight than those using traditional methods. I'm 2 weeks into their amazing binge eating program. I'm already noticing differences. Binge eating specifically is a trauma response. It's not something that you can logic your way out of. I'm very excited to have this tool in my toolkit when it comes to changing the relationship I have with food and with my body. If any of this resonates with you and you want to make 2026 a year of transformation and health, definitely check out Hypnosio. I have them linked in my description box underneath the video. Use code Carla15 for 15% off your first subscription with Hypnosio. Okay, back to today's video. Yogurt, not finished. Half drunk soda. This one I bought, I didn't actually like. Couldn't finish this whole chicken by myself. Some extra lettuce leaves from a takeout order. This was like takeout food I didn't finish. From like the salad bar, roasted sweet potatoes I didn't finish. Carrots, just, I don't always finish the food that I buy as a single person. This is an old water bottle that I just kept refilling, but I don't not want to keep it. So this is all going into the trash. Getting rid of this mug that's chipped. This one's hard to see, but it has a hairline crack along the side here. So broken, chipped items are going to be decluttered. This holiday candle that's 90% used, decluttering it. Warranties I don't need. This was to crush up Samson's pills, not gonna keep that. These things I found in my junk drawer. Clips for blinds, for holding pills, another mask that I don't need or use. Dried flowers I had saved. I don't need to save those. I used to keep my Christmas decorations up until January, sometimes even February, but this year I cannot wait to reclaim my space and take things down. My apartment feels way too small to have decorations up longer than a few weeks, so before the first of the year, I am getting it done, tossing any greenery, and then I'm just gonna corral any of the decor into my Christmas decor box. Anything I don't want for any reason, I declutter. I got a couple of ornaments gifted to me that I don't want, so those are both going goodbye. Last summer, I got myself a small closet-sized storage unit, and I will take this down to my car and drive it over there this weekend. The storage unit has probably been the single best thing I did for my apartment space. I don't care what anybody says. I now have a place for items that I don't need year-round, but I want to keep. Like even my portable AC unit that lives in the corner of my living room, that will go into storage instead of taking up space because I won't need it again until well into summer of next year. So I love my storage unit. It's a gift to myself, a creative solution for a one-bedroom apartment. I have definitely become more ruthless over the years. It would have never even occurred to me to declutter items that I was just gifted. I would have just held on to them and I don't know, they would have floated around my apartment, ended up on the floor. Now, as soon as it comes into the apartment, if I don't want it, I say goodbye to it. Like someone gave me potpourri. Another neighbor gifted me this wine bundle and I don't drink. So that I'm going to re-gift. But I would even keep, the gift bags, the wrapping paper, the cards, everything, So all of that little stuff, it really does add up. And it's taking up space that the chances of me using these items are so slim to none that it's better for me to just let it go. And when I need a gift bag, when that day comes, I can buy a gift bag. I've been making more of an effort to read actual physical books, and that means I have new books coming in, so I want to keep an eye and try to get rid of books that I've finished or books that I will never finish and just get them out of the house. I take these over to the little library. I also found one journal that I got for Christmas last year that I never am going to use. It's one of those prompt journals, and I love to journal, but I don't like to use prompt journal. So I'm gonna get that out, circulating in the world. It feels so good to get things out of the house that I'm not using that I know someone else will love and someone else can use. The other area that I'm checking in on are clothes. I'm not doing a full clothing declutter. I'm just looking for anything that's worn out, stretched out, not in good condition. Starting with my underwear drawer, I have shapewear in there that is too stretched out or too tight. So if it's either one of those, it goes. I don't need it. Socks that are missing their pair, anything like that. That's what I'm looking for. And then I just do that through each drawer. I'm looking for any t-shirts that are not in good condition, workout wear that I don't reach for, that I don't like, anything on its last leg that I just know it's time to let go of.
Grounded, steady, earth between your toes, arms wide, ready, love is true, you know. Come roll, you can borrow calm, piece by piece, thriving in your palm. Home, sweet home, together.
Decluttering doesn't have to be this big event every time. It doesn't have to be an entire weekend. It doesn't have to be a full room reset. A lot of times, 5 to 10 minutes a day, that is enough. That took me 5 minutes to do my closet, and I found about 15 items, worn out things that are going into trash, and a few items that were in good condition that I can donate. The last category I'm checking in on is a combination of magazines, catalogs, mail, just any paper items. I even had a bunch of playbills that I was holding on to for my trip to New York. In the moment, those are items that I think I'm going to want to keep as mementos, but in reality, I don't need to keep it. It's going to go into like a mementos box, and I'm never going to look at it. That's the reality. So saying goodbye to all the catalogs and magazines and paper type things that I don't want to bring with me into the new year. I'd love to know what your biggest takeaway has been this year in terms of decluttering, organizing, cleaning up your home, cleaning up your space. I think for me, the biggest lesson is that small actions really do add up to big rewards and big results. I did so many little projects throughout the year, and my home has never looked better, never felt better. So I'd love to hear what your biggest takeaway is from 2025. And with that, we're wrapping it up. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here this year, and I'm wishing us all a happy and prosperous 2026. I'll see you in the new year. Bye.